that's 2 1/4 cups of quick oats. I have a 1/2 cup of flaxseed meal, 1/2 cup of brown sugar. I have a 1/2 teaspoon of salt and 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. I have a cup of pecans, and I'm going to finely chop them with the knife. And then I have 1/2 of a cup of brown rice syrup. I have 3 tablespoons of coconut oil, 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract. It's Imitation Vanilla Extract. And then I have 1/4 teaspoon of almond extract. So all together, we have 10 different ingredients. I preheated my oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. All right, first I'm going to finely chop my pecans. There, put my 2nd cup of oats in, the 1/4 cup of oats in there, the 1/2 cup of flaxseed meal, 1/2 cup of brown sugar, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, the 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, all right, I've got my chopped pecans, and I'll add those. All right, I've got all my dry ingredients in there. I'll mix those first. Then I will add the other ingredients. All right, I'm going to put the brown rice syrup in the microwave for 15 seconds. All right, I microwaved it so it's just a little bit more liquidy. I'm going to add the other ingredients here to it. 1/4 teaspoon of almond extract, 1/2 teaspoon of Imitation Vanilla, 3 tablespoons of coconut oil. All right, I have added all of the ingredients to it that were the liquid ones. And then I'll stir it up, and then I will add it to the mixture. All right, I have added it, and now I'm gonna stir it with my spatula. All right, I've got it all mixed up, and then all right, I have coconut oil in both of the pans, and I'm going to just use my hand and put it all around the inside. I have each pan nice and greased on the bottom and the sides. All right, I have it in both of my pans. Yay, 1 and 2. All right, so in the oven they go for 5 minutes. I just took them out of the oven, and I'm going to stir them. All right, so back in the oven they go for 5 more minutes. All right, I will stir them again. All right, so after stirring them for the 2nd time, they're gonna go back in the oven for 6 minutes. All right, they're in. All right, I just took them out of the oven. I'm going to stir them. It's kind of thick right now. I am going to transfer this over here. Okay, so I am going to stir it around in this pan. I am doing an experiment really here this time. The last time I made the granola, took it out, did not stir it, and we had somebody come over, so I left the granola in both pans, and they were in the pans for 50 minutes, and when I came back to scoop them out, they wouldn't budge. They were stuck to the pan. So I had to get a knife, and all right, I have decided I'm going to move it to a cookie sheet with some parchment paper on it. Yay! And now I'm going to put all of the granola into my bowl. All right, now I'm going to move the rest of this into the bowl, And just wanted to show you it's moving very easily on the pan. There's my granola. Last one. And that is how to make granola. Yummy, yummy.